When do you decide to go full-time on Forex? Or when do you decide to quit everything and focus fully on Forex? I mean, I've seen a lot of people screwing up everything because they wanted to go full-time on Forex at the wrong time. So when is the right time? When I talk about full-time in Forex, I mean trading Forex as your full-time job, as your main source or your mainstream of income. So after being in this industry for almost a decade now, so this whole thing became a concern to me very much because I've been receiving these emails, these phone calls and these texts from all over social media. People are asking me to teach them how to trade because they need money so much and so bad that they want to trade Forex to sustain their lives. And here's what I think. Now, if you are in a position in life where you are financially frustrated, or you're in a position that you're struggling financially, or you're in a situation that you're not financially capable and you're looking for a stream of income or something to do like a job that can give you money or that can earn you a living. Now you thought about Forex trading. That was a very good idea, right? But here's the truth. I'd like to be very honest with you, I'd like to be the very honest trainer or coach in this platform by telling you exactly what you need or you don't want to hear from this industry, because it's so easy for me to come and tell you that I became a millionaire at the age of 16, like so many traders do on this platform, online or whatever the social media. You meet young boys driving very expensive cars. You meet very young men and women living lavish, living good lives, and they tell you this is trading. And if you ask them, how long did you take to become this? They tell you only 2 weeks, only 1 month, only 2 weeks, or only a year. But is that the case? Maybe yeah, maybe not, okay? But here's the thing, here's the point. Going full-time on Forex trading and replacing your job, your side hustle, your everything with Forex trading needs some good time. Let's break this down like this. You don't become profitable in one day or overnight in trading Forex. You'll need time, right? Now, you'll start from a point. Where do you start from? You start by learning the basics of Forex trading. You go and take this as a course, like any other course. Because it's ridiculous, it's kind of ironical that people are willing to go to school, spend 4 years in school learning about a skill, learning about a course, then take other 2 years handing a job to start working and earning from that job, But when it comes to Forex, someone wanna come to Forex and start earning from the very first day and earn a lot of money, not just money, a lot of money, and become more successful, more profitable in that very same day. Because your mentor or whoever invited you to Forex told you that you can become a millionaire just in a click of a button when you sell. I mean, they will show you their phones. Look how I'm running millions of money right now from fake accounts, of course. They will tell you and lie to you about everything on Forex. Now, if you think that you can become successful and profitable in the very first beginning of this Forex trading, you're completely misled. And you need to get that off your head and start focusing and seeing the real, honest truth about Forex. You see, you need to start from a point. Learn. Start learning. Take your time to learn the basics. It takes time. Not less than 2 months, not less than 6 months. Actually, you may take 6 months of your first learning. This learning curve, it's long, but you can shorten this learning curve by focusing on the basics. Then move to start learning trading on a demo account. Because if I invite you today to come and trade Forex and I tell you you only need $300 as per the broker I'm trading with, you only need a minimum of $300. You can deposit this $300 in an account, and by tomorrow you'll have $3,000. Alright? That's an illusion. That's completely not practical, right? First, you start by supplementing your job with this Forex, right? The profit that you make you use them alongside the job you're doing. Don't make this mistake of quitting the job, of dropping out of school in the very beginning of your trading journey. Don't fuck this up. I'm sorry to say that. Don't screw up everything of your life and come to blame everyone in the Forex industry for misleading you. Because if you drop from school to start trading Forex, that means you're making a very big bet. You're risking your whole entire future, entire life at the expense of trading. The chances of becoming successful in this field are closer to nothing, are so insignificant. So now what do, you learn the basics, then move to trading with a demo account. This demo account, I told you and I taught you how to use a demo account, how to start trading with a demo account in my videos on the playlist, the beginner's guide playlist. You can check it there. I told you how you can begin trading Forex. You begin from there. After mastering and knowing how to place a trade, learn how to place a trade, right? Go start trading with demo accounts. When you make profits and consistent profits from demo account, you can now have that confidence to deposit your money and start trading with live accounts. Because if you don't make profits from demo accounts, how do you expect to make profit from real accounts, real money that you trade? That this real money is attached to a lot of emotions. As I told you, we are human beings, we have emotions, we have feelings. Now if you trade with a real account or real money and you lose $200 out of $300 that you deposited, with an aim of turning this $300 to $3,000 to sustain your life, I tell you what, you'll call Forex a scam, a Ponzi scheme for the rest of your life because you didn't take your time to learn. I told you, start from a point, learn, start trading with demo, then go live, go trade on a live account when you see that you're now becoming successful or you're making significant profit consistently. When I'm talking about making profit, I don't mean that when you open a trade today on a demo account, of course, you make $1,000 today, right, on a single trade or two trades. But tomorrow, when you come back to the market and open a trade, you lose $300,000 on that demo account. That is not the profit I'm talking about. The profit I'm talking about is becoming consistently profitable. If overall or averagely on the whole month of trading, when you weigh your wins and your losses, and the wins are more than your losses, or overall you are in a profit, because wins and losses don't really matter in this case, that you can lose 60 trades and only win 40 trades out of 100, but still be up on profit, right? Because you can lose 70 trades out of 100 and win only 30 trades, but overall you are in a profit because of the risk management stuff that we talk about, position sizing. If you win those 30 trades, each with a winning ratio of, or a risk to reward ratio of 1:7 or 1:5, overall you'll be in a profit even if you lost most of the trades. So wins and losses don't really amount to your success, but the risk reward ratio or the risk management strategy of yours that you develop will determine if you walk out of the market with profits, right? So start from there, learn, demo trade, go live when you feel that now you're becoming profitable, right? Then from there, before now you decide to quit your job, before you decide to drop out of school to focus on trading Forex, make sure that you've been trading Forex for a good time now, probably 6 months or 1 year, and from that whole year of trading, you can see that averagely you are in profit. Now if you are in profit and that profit is sustainable for you or can take care of your financial needs, can pay your bills in time, and that money is enough, now you can start replacing whatever job you're doing with Forex. First, you start by supplementing your job with this Forex, right? The profit that you make, you use them alongside the job you're doing. Don't make this mistake of quitting the job, of dropping out of school in the very beginning of your trading journey. Don't fuck this up. I'm sorry to say that. Don't screw up anything. Don't screw up everything of your life and come to blame everyone in the Forex industry for misleading you. Because if you drop from school to start trading Forex, that means you're making a very big bet. You're risking your whole entire future, entire life at the expense of trading. If you go today and quit your job, write a resignation letter and go give your boss, insult him and quit the job, come back and start trading today, I can tell you this, the chances of becoming profitable or the chances of becoming successful in this field are closer to nothing. Are so insignificant. So that would be a very big risk bet that you can take as a person, as an individual. Because I'm trying to be completely honest. I told you it's so easy for me to come here and sit in front of a camera and lie to you from A to Z about how you can become successful, how you can make millions of money from Forex by doing nothing, right? By just watching the market, right? It's just clicking buy and sell, right? That's how people tell you, right? In social media, people tell you, no, it's nothing, you just buy and sell. You see, man, look here, I'm running profits and stuff, It's so easy for me to do that, but why would I do that? Why would I lie to you that you can become a millionaire by doing nothing? Why would I lie to you to go and quit your job to come and start trading Forex? Actually, I told you, you will quit your job, you will drop from school if you have been trading Forex and you've weighed yourself, you've gauged yourself against the market, and you've seen that overall you're making significant profits from Forex. And now you feel like, now even if I drop from school, even if I quit my job, even if I quit my side hustle, I can focus on Forex and make good money to sustain my life. So that is a go ahead. I can tell you, man, go ahead, quit school, right? Quit job, quit everything, focus on trading Forex. Because for my case, I started trading Forex while doing other hustles. I started doing Forex as a side hustle. Actually, I started learning alongside doing other stuff. And when I became profitable enough, then I switched from everything and focused fully on Forex because Forex can take care of the bills that were being paid with the other jobs, other hustles. So that was the point I quit. It wasn't 2 months, it wasn't 3 weeks, it wasn't a day like people tell you. It's not that. That's not the case. So don't do that big mistake in your life and you'll come to blame everyone in the industry. You'll come back on social media to talk about how Forex is a scam. It's not a scam. You know that. We both know that, right? We know that Forex is not a scam because Forex as a Forex market, this is the largest financial market in the whole world with trillions of dollars traded each day. Just imagine, trillions of dollars are being traded each and every single trading day. You see, that whole volume of money can never be traded by scammers alone. As much as we talk about scammers, any financial market that attracts investors, it also attracts scammers. So that's normal, that's very normal. But before you call Forex a scam, do your research, take your time, learn, start trading, become profitable. Then when you're profitable, now go full time, right? Quit everything, quit your job, quit everything, become a full-time trader. So that is the point where you can go full-time trading Forex, right? So if you're a new trader or someone who is willing to start trading today, please consider whatever I told you today. Start trading. That's a good thing. That was a good idea. Start trading. Start trading from demo. Go to live accounts. Start trading with a small account. By the way, let me add you this. Don't invest your whole money on this industry. Don't invest the money that you're not willing to lose in Forex. Don't make a mistake, right? Because I've seen students taking their school fees, depositing in broker's account and trading this. That has no difference with gambling, with going to a casino with your school fees and start gambling your school fees in the aim of doubling that money, in the aim of 10x that account or that money. So don't do that mistake. Don't invest or don't trade with your school fees. Don't go to a bank and withdraw your life savings and come and deposit to a broker account and start trading Forex. You'll be making a very risk move, right? So don't make such a big bet. Don't invest money that you're not willing to lose. Forex trading is so risky. I'm telling you, Forex trading is not just a walk in the park. Forex trading makes a lot of money. And similarly, Forex trading blows a lot of money. You can make 100,000 from Forex in 2 days. You can also lose 100,000 in a single day, right? So as much as you're thinking about doubling your account, triple your account, also think about what if you lose that amount? Will you still be comfortable? Will you still run your life as usual? Will you still go on with your life without any much stress, right? Don't fall into depression because you were invited to Forex with people who lied to you about Forex. So going full-time needs time. Going full-time needs a lot of time. Take your time. Take your time, learn, plan, and earn. As I say, learn, plan, then earn. Don't jump to earn before you learn. Don't jump to earn before you plan, right? Don't skip the process. Just go with the process and trust the process. So I hope this helps you, and if you start trading today, please be careful. Consider everything I told you today. I wish you all the best in your trading journey, and I hope to see you a successful person in Forex. Alright, see you there.